Hey, welcome back to Let's Take. It's your boy Lucky, and today we're gonna go the iPhone 12 event. If you missed it, don't worry, I'm gonna go over the main features, the new iPhone 12 lineup, because we have 4 new from this year. So yeah, let's begin with the video. Thank you for watching Let's Take. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, enable notifications with the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. Okay, let's start off with the iPhone 12. That was the first iPhone they announced. So we have an all new design here. We've got some flat curves all the way around in a new aerospace aluminum design, which looks amazing, I have to say that. And all of the iPhone this year is going to have this OLED display, super retina XDR display, so that's going to be great contrast colors, brightness, everything's just going to look really nice. And to protect that new OLED display, Apple have this new ceramic shield glass, which is way tougher than any other smartphones, and it's up to 4 times better than what they used in last year's iPhone. So you know you're gonna get some great protection there. And of course, we do have upgraded true depth camera at the front, and as well as the back. We've got some new cameras. So on the back, we've got an ultra wide camera now with an f2.4 aperture, which is a 5-element with 30mm focal length and a 120-degree of view angle, which is going to be really great. So there's some really great wide shots there. And then of course, we do have a new upgraded wide camera with f1.6 aperture at 7 elements. So this has been added a new element, so it's going to give you way better low light performance. And this is a 26mm focal length, so you can get really great focal length there. And of course, you do have optical image stabilization, so for your shaky photos and video, this is going to be really great. Another great feature in this year's iPhone is night mode. It's in every single camera. You have night mode now. So that's the front, the rear cameras, all of them have now night mode features. You can get some really great low light, and you get night mode in portrait as well. So for your portrait pictures, you can now use night mode as well, so you can get some really amazing shots at night. Can't wait to try this out myself. And of course, this year's iPhone 12 is powered by the new A14 Bionic chips with 6 cores of CPU and 4 cores of GPU. So it's going to be up to 50% faster than any smartphones according to Apple. It's going to be so much powerful, and with that power, League of Legends is coming to the iPhone as well. So that's just really amazing. Cannot wait to try that out. And of course, we do have 5G. So finally, the iPhones now have 5G connection. So you've got 5G connection in all of the models, so that's really great. In the US, you do get millimeter wave as well, but the rest of the world, you just got the standard 5G connection. That's going to be really great. You're going to get up to speeds up to nearly 4 gigabits, depending on good connection, and you're going to get up to 200 megabytes of upload speed. So that's just amazing. And of course, you do have a smart data mode as well, so that's going to help you when you're going to be using the 5G connection, when you're going to be using LTE. So that's going to make sure you don't use too much battery. So in places where you just need to use standard 4G, it will just switch to 4G, and the time you need 5G connection, it will switch to 5G. So that's really amazing. And of course, there is something really nice. They have brought back the MagSafe, but this time it's a totally different MagSafe. So the iPhone 12 has a magnet where the wireless charging is, so you can attach like a MagSafe really well. It works with cases, you got wallets, so many different accessories. You even have this new dual charger for your Apple Watch as well as your phone. You can just place it and it just stays in place with the magnet, and it's so portable to carry around as well. So that's amazing. Cannot wait to see all the accessories that's coming from third parties. That's just going to be insane amount of accessories and just crazy ideas with that magnet. Even as a car phone, you can just play it. That's going to be amazing. And finally, Apple made the packaging smaller, so they're not going to include the headphone or the power bricks, you're just going to get a Type-C to Lightning charging cable, and that goes for the entire range of iPhones, even the older versions now. So the iPhone SE, the 11, they're all going to get new packaging. You're going to get slimmer packaging, but you just get your new Lightning to USB-C cable, which is acceptable, because I know so many people have these headphones and the power brick just laying around. So that's a really good move, I think, from Apple to save the environment. So I'm really happy with that. So next, Apple announced the iPhone 12 mini. So it's basically the same as the iPhone 12, but in a smaller size. They're just 5.4 inches, where the iPhone 12 is a 6.1 inch. The iPhone 12 mini is everything same, you just get a smaller display and a bit of tiny battery as well, but at a lower cost. That's really great. And the iPhone 12 and 12 mini comes in 5 new colors. So you've got black, white, you've got product red, and you have a new green as well as a new blue color. The blue looks really amazing. Okay, let's now move on to the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max. So those have a new design as well. Flat design, but this time you have a stainless steel edging going around, and that just looks so glossy and looks so premium. And of course you do have that OLED display as well, that Super Retina XDR display, so that's going to give you some amazing colors, contrast, brightness. It's going to give you some deeper black. And of course the iPhone 12 Pro comes at newer size as well, so you have a new 6.1 inch size, and for the Pro Max you have 6.7. So the screens did get a bit bigger, but the entire footprint of the phone is very similar to the previous phone, so I can't wait to get my hands on that. Definitely do a comparison on that when I get the iPhone 12 Pro in. So the iPhone 12 Pro comes in 4 new colors. So you have the standard white, we have a new gold, a new graphite color, and then you have a new Pacific blue. And that Pacific blue looks just amazing. Like, that is just so beautiful. And the iPhone 12 Pro has all the features from the iPhone 12, but with some more added features, including a Pro camera range. So we have a triple camera system and with all new lenses. So first of all, we have a new ultra-wide camera with 5 lenses at 13 focal length with 120 degrees of view, which is going to be really good for your ultra-wide shots. We have a new wide camera at 1.6 aperture with 7 elements, so we're going to get extremely improved low light performance here. This is a 26 focal length with image optical station, so you're going to get those crisp images there. And then we have a new Telephoto Lens with a f2.0 aperture, which is a 6mm at 52 focal length, so really great shots there, and we do get 4x optical zoom here. But the difference here with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, you're getting a total different focal length. You actually get a focal length of 62, and you get all the way up to 5 optical zoom as well. So that's a bit downside, a bit different, but that's how Apple wanted to do it this year, which I'm not really happy with. I really wanted to see them to have 2 identical cameras, but we do have a bit of difference here. I'm just going to put the difference here so you can see some of the difference they have, but there's a bit of price difference as well, but you do get bigger screens, so it really depends on you. Do you want those little extra camera features, or are you happy with the 12 Pro? And then for the iPhone 12 Pro line, we do have a new Apple Pro RAW feature, which can capture images where you can then go in and change the color balance, the tones, and so many things you can change, which is really amazing. You can do this in Lightroom, in Bridge, Photoshop, or even with any other pro photo editing app, which is really amazing. And then of course you have 10-bit HDR video recording on the iPhone Pro line with Dolby Vision, so you're gonna get some really great videos there. For those people who love to shoot videos on their iPhone, it just got a whole lot better now for your recording. It's just gonna look really amazing with your 10-bit color, your HDR, and your Dolby Vision. You're just gonna be getting some amazing footage here. Of course, the iPhone 12 Pro line do have a LiDAR scanner, which will help with the focusing time, augmented reality, getting depth of field in in videos. You want to do some AR, you can really do that. It's just going to be really amazing. But the main feature is just when you're focusing, because the light is going to bounce off, you're going to get extremely fast focusing time. Even in low light, you're going to get better focusing, so you're going to get even better pictures in low light, which is going to be really amazing. You do have a new time lapse as well in night mode to create an amazing time lapse, so I can't wait to try that out in night city landscape. You're going to get an amazing quality video there. So the iPhone 12 mini starts at $699 and while the 12 starts at $799, so those prices are really amazing and really low. And the iPhone 12 Pro starts at $999 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max starts at $1099, and the storage has been doubled. So you start with 128 gig for your base storage, and then you have your 256, and then you have your 512 gigabytes, which is really amazing. The iPhone 12 and 12 Pro you can pre-order this Friday and will ship the next following Friday, so that's really amazing. And the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 Mini you can pre-order on the 6th of November and ship the following week from that, so that's really great. So yeah, those were the all new features for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro line. I can't wait to get my hands on one of these phones. I don't know which one to pick. Let me know in the comment section which one I should go for. I'm hoping I will go for the iPhone 11 Pro in that Pacific blue because it looks amazing. But yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss my unboxing video of the iPhone 12, which one I get. But yeah, as always, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one. Take care.